Saka, 12 yards out. Bukayo! And back to the top of the Barclays Premier League.
Magalhaes, great ball. Jesus up against Lamptey. Oh, what? He's given a penalty. Yeah! He's given a penalty! Vamos! There will be a VAR check. Lamptey seems to think he won the ball. Penalty given. Saka to make up for his miss earlier to give Arsenal the lead against Brighton. Saka with the run-up. Scores! Bukayo Saka! Yeah, I can't hear you, man. Bukayo Saka running down the wing. Saka running down the wing. Get in! 1-0 to Arsenal.
So over here on this left-hand side with Jesus, Brazilian stuff. 100% Lamptey. You know what you did? Penalty. Gabriel Jesus, definitely a pen. I'm not going to lie. I think Lamptey got shagged. I have to see it again. I think that's a shag. But that's why he shouldn't slide in the box. I think that's a shag. Bukayo Saka. Yes, sir! Scumbagging goals. Yeah. Talking, yeah. Arsenal 1, Brighton 0. Boys, switch on. They're going to feel hard done by that. If you really think they're out of it, you're sadly mistaken. Now we switch on. Aha, Lamptey. Haha. That's why you got sold, mate.
Referee, penalty! Saka, 12 yards out. Bukayo! And back to the top of the Barclays Premier League. And still keep coming, Liverpool. And we'll keep coming back. Back to the top of the league. Bukayo! Saka running down the wing. Bukayo!
Woo. Well, penalty, yes! Yes, penalty! Come on! Trey! Penalty! Come on! Yes, blood! Saka time! Here we go. Bukayo. Yes! Come on! Yeah! All of that, blood. No, did he? Yeah! Come on! Let's go, blood. Bukayo Saka. Running down the wing, Saka. Hear the Arsenal sing, Saka. We're all gonna win the league. Bukayo Saka. Running down the wing, Saka. Hear the Arsenal sing, Saka. We're all gonna win the league.
Yes, that's a filth pen! There it is. Filth pen. Thank God for that. What is wrong with him? Clear penalty. Here we go, Bukayo! Yeah! Go! Come on! 1-0 to the Arsenal. Bukayo Saka converts once again. What are you saying now? Where is he?
That's a penalty. Get over there. Surely a pen.
Yeah. Got a pen. Come on.
That was that was a wild tackle, that boy.
Yeah, what was he doing, man?
Yeah, that was a wild tackle.
You should have known, man. You should have known better.
1-0. 1-0.
Hey.
Get it, Ola.
Come on.
Let's go.
Right. Let's
1-0.
go, guys.
Gabriel Jesus, is that pen? Yeah! Penalty! Pen, ref. Jesus gets the pen. Saka, bang. Bottom left corner, man. Brilliant.
There you go. Get your head up, Jorginho. Get your head up. There it is! Kai Blood Claw Havertz! Come on! Let's go, blood! Come on! Tell me some, blood! Tell me some, blood! Tell me, son! Kai Blood Claw Havertz, rude boy! Yeah! Tell me something, blood! Come on! Let's go! Blood! Let's go!
Through to Jorginho. He's in Saka's position. He had to take it up into the middle. Havertz! Goal! Kai Havertz scores it again! 2-0 to the Arsenal. There it is. is unbelievable seeing Jorginho coming into that Saka position now on the right hand side where Saka's down and Havertz in the middle. It's 2-0. Red flares are on the pitch. We are top of the Premier League and still, come on, goal, 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 goal.
Gets in. Oh my days, we have made this hard work, man. I swear to God.
It came from the other side. They didn't put the ball out. Thank God they kept the play going.
I lie.
Oh, you see that? You see how quick Saka got up? You see how quick he got up? Look at him. See how quick he got up?
Nothing wrong with him.
I'm glad he didn't put the ball out.
Oh, look at this Jorginho run. 2-0! 2-0! King Kai! King Kai! King Kai! Come on, King Kai!
वाइट जॉर्जी देख के पास कर काय Samina mina waka waka 60 million down the drain. Kai Havertz scores again. Let's go! Havertz is enough. Let's go!
Bayon, do not put that ball out. Jorginho, get up, Saka, and get in the box. Yes! This way, Bayon, Kai Havertz, let's go! Yes! We needed that. We actually absolutely needed that. We needed that.
Could do with him up right now because we've got the ball. And Odegaard's going to play the ball. Here's a chance. Great chance. Jorginho, surely. Yeah! Kai Havertz! You called it, Cruz. You said he'd score 2. Havertz scores. Jorginho with the assist. I just said he was running in treacle. Well, he's got out of the treacle. And Arsenal lead 2-0. Kai Havertz. Don Kai Havertz.
Get up. Ball on the right. Jorginho in the box. Kai! Oh, let's go! 60 million down the drain. We're top of the league again. 60 million down the drain. We're top of the league again.
Trossard's in. 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 Trossard! Trossard! Go on. Go on. Go on. Do it. Do it. Why aren't you doing it, blood? Do it, blood. Pull it out, blood. No, Diddy. Do it. Come on. You dunk on them, man. Who cares, blood? Dunk on them.
Oh, we're through! Oh, we're through! Come on, Trossard! Oh! 3-0! There he is! Great finish for Brighton, gets a touch again, but it wasn't enough to stop Leandro Trossard breaking through that one-on-one. Lovely goal, lovely finish. The composure. He always scores those, man. Leandro Trossard, you can trust him.
We just got them on the counter. We are off. Who's there? Finish! Finish! Yeah!
Arsenal! 1, 2, 3. The door is slammed. All is well. That is the difference between him and Jesus.
Come on!
Oh my God, Trossardinho on the run. Trossardinho, finish it. Trossardinho, that's 3. 3. Teleta. Oh, Trossardinho. Come on, celebrate with the fans.
And he's through. And Trossard is through. Trossard is through. 1v1. 1v1. Let's go. This was an Alexis goal, man. An Alexis goal from Trossard. Oh. Yo. Bossard, man.
Trossard. Aye, Trossard, get the third. Aye, we're in. Aye, it's about to be free. Trossard. Yes! Oh, against your old club, and he celebrated. Deserve it. It was written in the stars. Trossardinho. Trossard started that. I think that's technically an assist for Kai Havertz.
Oh, 1-on-1 with the goalkeeper, Leandro Trossard. 1-on-1, it's Trossardinho. Yeah! Hey, listen, you better do the celebration. I can't see you lot. Leandro Trossardinho. I don't think he's going to do the celebration out of respect. Oh, he did a little one. Hey, can't see me face. Balaclava, can't see me face. Balaclava. Game, set, and match.
Screenshot me, mate. I won't post it on my story. Screenshot you sending me on Facebook, mate. Ball behind us, I don't screenshot it! It's straight!